Good afternoon, students. Yesterday we are doing differential equations. Now, 3-4 short answers I will teach you, and with that, your differential equations short answers will be done. Okay. So, circles short answers has been done. System of circles, right? Parabola, ellipse has been done. Okay. And integrations, long answers, definite integrals, long answers, right? Differential equations also long answers. But what I said, as I suggest to you, is circles, indefinite integrals, and parabola. These are the things you should be take care of. Yeah. Solve dy by dx plus y secant x is equal to tan x. Solve dy by dx plus y secant x is equal to tan x. Same thing. This is in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y and q of x. This is in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. Now here your p of x secant x. Here your p of x is secant x, and q of x is tan x. Now last, what you are going for? Integrating factor. E to the power integration of p of x dx. E to the power integration of p of x. E to the power integration of p of x dx. That is e to the power integration of, what is your p of x? Secant x dx. That is e to the power integration of secant x. What is integration of secant x? Log mod secant x plus tan x, correct? So log mod secant x plus tan x to the base e. Yesterday only I told you. E to the power log f of x to the base e is f of x secant x plus tan x. This is your integrating factor. Now, what will be your solution? Here itself I will write, so that this is your integrating factor. Your solution, what it is? Y into integrating factor equal to q of x into integrating factor dx plus c. So y into, that is secant x plus tan x is equal to integration of what is q of x? Tan x into secant x plus tan x dx plus c, correct? Now anyway this part is same. Multiply inside tan x secant x plus tan square x dx. That is integration of tan x secant x plus, now I don't have any integration of tan square x directly, so I am going to write it as secant square x minus 1 dx. Okay. Now let us write this part directly. Integration of secant x tan x is secant x. Integration of secant square x is tan x. This is integration of 1 is minus x. So ultimate answer will be y into secant x plus tan x is equal to secant x plus tan x minus x plus c. So in differential equation, recognizing the sum is very important. You have to recognize the sum. That is very important in differential equations. Is it clear? Next, solve dy by dx minus y tan x is equal to e power x into secant x. dy by dx minus y tan x e power x into secant x dx. Again, this is in the form of its coefficient is 1, right? So this is in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y and q of x. So here, what is your p of x is minus tan x. Along with minus, you should consider. And what is q of x is e power x secant x. What is a q of x is e power x into secant x. So integrating factor once again, e to the power integration of p of x dx. So your integrating factor e to the power integration of minus tan x dx. E to the power minus outside, integration of tan x is log mod secant x. Correct, no? Log mod secant x. That is e to the power log of secant x. This becomes whole inverse. That is nothing but 1 by secant x. That is nothing but cos x. Because e to the power log f of x to the base is f of x. E to the power log f of x to the base e is f of x. So I got cos x, right? Now let us write the solution. What is our solution? You will have y solution. Y into integrating factor. Y into integrating factor. Q of x into integrating factor plus dx. So y into, what was your integrating factor? Cos x. So y cos x. This is e power x secant x. Again cos x dx plus c. But cos and secant are reciprocal to each other. They get cancelled. So y cos x integration of e power x dx. That is y cos x equal to integration of e power x is e power x only. So e power x plus c. Is it clear? Next, solve 1 plus x square dy by dx plus y e to the power tan inverse x. Yeah, this is variable separable is not possible. Variable separable is not possible, and it is not a homogeneous one. By seeing it, you should observe that it is forms a linear differential equation. And I told you what is a linear differential equation form? dy by dx plus p of x into y plus q of is equal to q of x. So here dy by dx coefficient should be 1. So dy by dx divide with 1 by 1 plus x square y and e power tan inverse x by 1 by 1 plus x square. Divide throughout the differential equation with 1 plus x square. Divide throughout the differential equation with 1 plus x square. So that dy by dx coefficient is 1 by 1 plus x square y equal to e to the power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. Now here, now this is in the form of this is in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y and q of x. Here, your p of x is 1 by 1 plus x square. and your q of x is e to the power tan inverse x by 1 plus x squared. Now you are going to find integrating factor e to the power integration of p of x dx. That is e to the power integration of what is your p of x? 1 by 1 plus x square dx. E to the power, this is tan inverse x. E to the power, this is tan inverse x. Is it clear, everybody? E to the power, this is tan inverse x. Now this is your integrating factor. So what is your solution? Y into integrating factor into q of x into integrating factor dx plus c. Y into integrating factor is e power tan inverse x. What is q of x? E to the power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square into integrating factor e to the power tan inverse dx plus c. Okay. Now there integration is important. So y e to the power tan inverse x is equal to, this is e to the power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square into e power tan inverse x. Correct now? This only previous step is now put tan inverse x equal to t. This differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So y e to the power tan inverse x is equal to differentiate with respect to x, 1 by 1 plus x square. This is dt by dx. Dx equal to dt by 1 plus x square. So y e to the power tan inverse x is equal to e power t by 1 plus x square. This is also e power t. This is dt. Dx equal to 1 plus x square dt. This is dt into 1 plus x square. Now your 1 plus x square gets cancelled. So y e to the power tan inverse x is equal to e power t into e power 2t dt. Y e power tan inverse x equal to e power 2t by 2 plus c. Y e to the power tan inverse x equal to e to the power 2 tan inverse x by 2 plus c. Is it clear? So this is very important sum. Next, solve x plus y plus 1 dy by dx is equal to 1. Solve x plus y plus 1 dy by dx is equal to 1. Anyway, you have to make dy by dx subject. So 1 by x plus y plus 1. Now the whole term is in denominator. So I can't separate your denominator for one numerator. So definitely you are going to do dx by dy, x plus y plus 1. Since dx by dy I am having, minus you have to bring x inside, not y. Why? Because in linear form, if x is dx is in numerator, I should have x here, and dy in denominator, I should have y variable functions. So minus x is equal to y plus 1. Now this is in the form of, dx by dy plus p of y into x equal to q of y. So here, what's your p of y? Your p of y is nothing but your x coefficient. Your x coefficient p of y is nothing but minus 1. And what is the q of y? It is y plus 1. Is it clear? So whenever you come across a sum like this, dy by dx equal to 1 by x plus y plus 1, you are going to do reciprocal compulsory. Is it clear? So P of y equal to -1 and Q of y is y plus 1. Okay, right. Now integrating factor. E to the power integration of P of y dy. E to the power integration of -1 dy minus x. Right? Now let us write the solution. So your solution will be x into integrating factor is equal to Q of y integrating factor dy plus c. So x into e power minus y, this is y plus 1, e power minus y dy plus c. Once again, if you want, you can have a look. Integrating factor, sorry, e power y, e power minus y. So solution will be x into e power minus y. And what is the q of y? Your q of y is y plus 1. So y plus 1 into e power minus y dy. Is it clear? Now x e power minus y equal to y e power minus y minus e power y dy plus c. Integration by parts. Y into integration of minus integration of dy by y into integration of e power minus y dy, its whole dy, plus integration of e power minus y is e power minus y. Okay, actually, yeah, let us do like this. Let it be integration of e power minus y like this only, plus c. Now, x e power minus y into e power minus y by minus 1 minus dy of y is 1 and e power minus y is e power minus y by minus 1 still dy plus e power minus y dy plus c. Now minus y e power minus y minus into minus plus. Now integration of e power minus y, integration of e power minus y. 2 into integration of e power minus y dy. That is x e power minus y equal to minus y e power minus y plus 2 into e power minus y by minus 1 plus c x e power minus y minus 2 e power minus y plus c. So here the complete simplification, how it goes is, right, x e power minus y plus y e power minus y plus 2 e power minus y equal to c. Take e power minus y common. Then e power y, you bring it to denominator, it comes to numerator as c e power plus y. E power minus y, you bring it to this side denominator. Then you bring it to numerator as e to the power plus y. Is it clear? Very important sum. This one also. He asked in 4 mark 2-3 times, right? Next, solve. Plus 2y cube dy by dx equal to y. Same approach again. Last problem, dy by dx is equal to y by x plus 2y cube. Again, you have to do reciprocal. That is x plus dx by dy equal to x by y plus 2y cube by y. 1y gets cancelled. What is left out is y square. Now x by y, you have to bring it inside. Because I want 1x in numerator. Already I told you. Minus x by y is equal to 2y square. So this is in the form of dx by dy plus p of y into x q of y. Dx by dy plus p of y into x equal to q of y. Now here p of y is minus 1 by y. Your q of y is 2y square. Okay. Now integrating factor. E to the power integration of p of y dy. E to the power integration of minus 1 by y dy. E to the power minus outside 1 by y dy. E to the power minus, it is log y to the base e. According to logarithmic properties, this minus will come as power of y now. E to the power log y inverse to the base e. That is y inverse, which is 1 by y. So we got your integrating factor, correct? Now write the solution. The solution is x into integrating factor, q of x into integrating factor dy plus c. Now x into 1 by y. X into 1 by y. And what is q of y? 2y square into 1 by y dy plus c. Now 1 by 1 by gets cancelled. X by y 2 outside, y dy plus c. X by y 2 into y square by 2 plus c. 2 gets cancelled. Is it clear? Then x equal to y cube yc. Bring y to this side. Okay, one more step. X by y square plus c. X equal to y cube plus cy. That's all. So with this, your short answers of differential equation is done. Let us do few 2 marks of differential equation, especially order and degree. Especially order and degree of the differential equation is, especially order and degrees of the differential equation is very important. Is it clear? Yeah. Two marks of DE. First one, find the order and degree of x power 1 by 2 d square y by dx square whole power 1 by 3 plus x dy by dx. Actually, Yeah, while doing the sum itself, I will. What is that given equation? Given differential equation x power 1 by 2 d square y by dx square whole power 1 by 3 plus x dy by dx plus y equal to 0. The rules, what it says is dy by dx should have positive integer powers. Positive integer power. And dy by dx means it cannot have fractional powers. That is the only one thing you have to take care of. Is it clear? So the order and degree of the differential equation is asking. So x power 1 by 2 d square y by dx square as it is 1 by 3. See, but d square y by dx square, I'm having fractional power in the form of 1 by 3. That is minus x dy by dx minus y. Now I will do cubing on both sides directly. When I do cubing on both sides directly, correct? No? When I do cubing on both sides directly, then what I'm going to get? X power 3 by 2. Now d square y by dx square. Here you will get 3 by 2. Here 3 gets cancelled. Is equal to minus x minus dy by dx minus y, its whole cube. Then what is the order? Order means the highest derivative. So here the derivative of is that this is a first order derivative. This is what? Second order derivative. So order means the highest derivative. Order means the highest derivative. So what is the highest derivative I'm having here? 2. And what is the degree? Degree is nothing but power of highest derivative. No need to write this definition. For your understanding purpose, I am writing. Okay. The power of highest derivative. But I said the power of highest derivative. So degree will be what? The power of highest derivative. So degree is 1. So order is 2, degree is 1. You write order 2, degree 1, you will get 2 marks. Is it clear? That's all. Yeah, you can have a look once. X power 1 by 2 d square y by dx square whole power 1 by 3. This whole power 1 by 3 I want to remove because I cannot have fractional power to dy by dx. And dy by dx cannot be inside some other function. If it is inside some other function, your degree is not defined. Is it clear? That also very important point. Okay. Next, second one. Find the order and degree. Find the order and degree of d square y by dx square. dy by dx whole cube, its whole to the power 6 by 5. 6y. You might get it out. Sir, you said fractional power, but here x power 2 by 3 is having fractional power. I said you cannot have a fractional power to dy by dx. That's all. Is it clear? Right. So now here, given equation d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole cube whole to the power 6 by 5 equal to 6y. Now d square y by dx square dy by dx whole cube 6y whole to the power 5 by 6. D square y by dx square plus, now bring complete 6 by 5, which is having fraction to this. Bring it to this side, it becomes 6y whole to the power 5 by 6. I can have a fraction to y variable, but I cannot have a fraction to d by dx, right? So now here, order means highest derivative. Again, your highest derivative is 2, right? Because this is dy by dx is first order. Second order means second derivative, that is 2d square y by dx square. Order is 2. Then degree will be again 1. Degree will be 1 because the power of the highest derivative, means order, whatever the order you are having, highest order, that order means highest derivative, and the power of the highest derivative is the degree. So here might be degree is 3, but here order is 1, but here order is 2. So the highest order, highest derivative. Is it clear? Right. So this is about order and degree. Like this, if you see, you open your textbook, these are very two important questions. But if you open the textbook, you'll come across more 5-6 sums. Only you have to check whether it is having any fractional power or not. If at all it is having any fractional power, then you are going to remove that fractional power. Is it clear, everybody? Yes. Find the order of the differential equation. Find the order of the differential equation of the family of all circles with their center at origin. Family of all circles with center at origin means that equation will be x square plus y square equal to r square. You keep on change your r value, I get different family of circles. Means r is an arbitrary constant. Is it clear? So given equation of family of circles, that is x square plus y square equal to r square, where r is your parameter, that is your arbitrary constant. Means a constant means it's a constant. Arbitrary constant means the constant, it will change in the sum. That is your arbitrary constant. So here r is arbitrary constant. So in an equation, if I'm having one arbitrary constant, I will do one time derivative. If I'm having two arbitrary constants, I will do 2 times derivative. If I'm having 3 arbitrary constants, I will do 3 times derivative to eliminate that arbitrary constants. Is it clear? Right. So here one differentiate with respect to x. 2x, 2y dy by dx. This is equal to 0. Means x plus y dy by dx equal to 0. This is your differential equation. So here your order is 1 because only one derivative. Highest derivative is 1 and degree will be, still it is 1 only because the power of this. So degree is 1, order is 1. Degree is 1, order is 1. Form the differential equation. To y is equal to cx minus 2c square, where c is a parameter. Is it clear? Now, given equation cx minus 2c square, only one parameter, right? So only one time you have to do derivative. differentiate with respect to x. That is dy by dx. C. X derivative is 1 minus 0. So C, what I got is dy by dx. Therefore, your differential equation is y is equal to dy by dx into x minus 2 into dy by dx whole square. Again, what is order? Order is 1. What is the highest derivative I can find? Dy by dx means order is 1. But what is degree? Degree means the power of the highest derivative. So the power of the here it is 1, but here it is 2. So your answer will be 2. Your answer will be 2. Is it clear? Right. Next. Form the differential equation to y is equal to a cos 3x plus b sin 3x, where a and b are parameters, where capital A and capital B are parameters. And capital A and capital B are parameters means how many parameters I am having now? 2 parameters. Is it clear? So given differential equation, y is equal to a cos 3x plus b sin 3x. Differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative is dy by dx. A as it is, cos 3x derivative minus sin 3x into 3 plus b as it is, cos 3x derivative, sin 3x cos 3x into, again 3x derivative is 3. So one time derivative has been done. That is minus 3a sin 3x plus 3b cos 3x. Now once again, differentiate with respect to x. Second time derivative. See, I'm having 2 parameters. You have to do 2 times derivative. By the time I finish off second time derivative, your a and b should be neglected. I mean, eliminated. Is it clear? That is t square y by dx square minus 3a sin 3x derivative cos 3x into this is 3 plus 3b cos 3x derivative minus sin 3x into 3. That is nothing but d square y by dx square equal to minus 9a cos 3x minus 9b sin 3x minus 9a cos 3x minus 9b sin 3x. You are going to take minus 9 common. A cos 3x plus b sin 3x. Take minus 9 common. A cos 3x plus b sin 3x. But what is this? This is nothing but your question itself, which is y. Means d square y by dx square equal to minus 9y d square by dx square plus 9y equal to 0. That is your answer. Is it clear? So these are for 2 marks. More also, we'll continue with the 2 marks of differential equation, and we'll do 2 marks of, see, not all 2 marks. Out of 10, you should be able to do, out of 10, you should be able to do circles. That will do few 2 marks again in circles. System of circles compulsory have to do. Circle, system of circles. Parabola also you have to do. Then integrations 2. Differential equation 1. This should be the 2 mark things. Is it clear? Right. So you have 4 mark. See here. 7 marks chapters, circles, parabola, indefinite integrals, indefinite integration. Definite also I taught. And differential equation also we did. Homogeneous sums. Non-homogeneous also I did. 2 sums we did non-homogeneous. 2, 3 sums we did homogeneous. The approach is same for all the sums. So here you will get 2, 7. Here you will get 1, 7. Here you will get 2, 7. Here your 7 marks should be done here itself. These 2, it will be your choice. Is it clear? These 2, it will be on your choice. Is it clear? First thing. And in 4 mark, again we did circles, system of circles, ellipse and hyperbola, and differential equation. These are your 4 marks things you are going to do, which we did. Ellipse and hyperbola, the others are did, and circle, system of circles, and differential equation just now. I mean, differential equation today only we did. Circles and system of circles, beginning of the days we did. And in 2 marks, I will go for circles. Already we are doing DE, right? System of circles, parabola, and indefinite integration. That's all. To get your passing mark. And those who are improvement also concentrate on these things. And those are trying for 75 and all this stuff, you have to do the whole textbook very thoroughly. So from our side, these are the things what we were asked to do. So maximum we are trying to do everything, right? So this is about your 2B. But last 2-3 years, 2B, some unexpected questions and surprises we are getting. So what I'm saying is circles, parabola, indefinite integrations, whatever I taught, whatever they say important questions in your textbook, all of you, all the questions you are going to do. Don't go for only few questions. That will affect a lot, and that will be the, maybe please go for a little bit more number of questions to be on safe side. Okay. So we'll continue tomorrow with 2 marks of all these chapters, whichever I said, that we'll see tomorrow onwards. Okay. Right.